beep, beep, beep. I know. And we're good. We're good to go. We're good to go, cause we're back. Guess who's back? Back again. And cold. As usual. That's nothing new. I know that. I know it's absolutely nothing new. But here we are. Let's do this. Down in the coast, it is cold and windy and there's a storm on its way. So that's fun. But it's okay. We're back, and that's what's important, right? Oh, it means it's gone through all of this. Damn, it really dumped. Properly. Oh my goodness, okay, I need to get rid of all this now. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I have like a week's worth of things now that obviously I need to try and catch up on. Ay, ay, ay. That's okay though, right? We will get there. We will catch up on everything eventually. Gosh, it feels like you miss 1 week and you just lose it all. It's such a weird thing to like think about, but it is. It is. It's the highest high. And there's a bunch, damn, of things. Damn. I may have too many lines going on here, but anyways, I guess it gives you an idea of what's happening in a very weird way. Okay. Let's see, so this is Friday, so this is New York's low. Awesome sauce. Okay, so where are we today? Today is Monday, right? Yes. Today is indeed Monday, so here's Asia low. Amazing. Okay. Ooh. That's not even London though. Opening is London though, huh? Interesting. Okay. And so then this makes this all. We got some equal highs as well as London high. Double tap. And equal lows. Oh, 3 equal lows. Or relatively equal lows, right? Let's not start mixing everything up. Okay. But point is that we are back. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so that's ES sorted. Let's have a look-see. Gives me a good indication of which direction we are headed, which is, I have no clue. Looks like it could go either way right now, so that's fun. That's fun for me. Here we go. Asia low. Let's do samesies on this side. New York low. Asia low. That's... There we go. Amazing, and... Here's technically London low. Just not exactly very low, is it? What's the market? And then London. Hi. For now, at least. We still have some time. A little bit of time. I took all those equals. These are all relative equals. Let's see. It appears that it looks like it wants to be going in a bit of a bearish, I lied, bullish direction today. Oh, let us see what happens now. We got some time. I'm sitting here by myself, so let's go through this. So I went for a little walk today on the beach because I can now. It's very weird. Very weird to have that space. I don't think space is the right word. I could just go for a walk on the beach. You know, that it sounds like some people do that on holidays, and that's just apparently what every day is now. It's very, very weird, but I found this beautiful shell. Check there. Like, it's almost perfect. How cool. And yeah, like this is a very beautiful. So also I need to just apologize in advance for two things. So number one, if my phone rings and it's the guy who's supposed to be transporting my horse tomorrow, I will probably have to answer. Number two, very important, if you hear banging, it is the monkeys on the roof, and I will then have to sprint because I left the sliding door open for Perry, but it does mean they could get in here, and monkeys are not fun to deal with. So if I just like get up and start sprinting, it's because I think that the monkeys are here, and I don't want to deal with that. That's not going to be fun for anyone involved. Oh, it's so weird for it to be so quiet again. Hi. Never mind. There's apparently one viewer. Oh, hello, buddy. Oh, hello, buddy. Hello. Hello, how's it going? Oh, goodness. Okay. We're feeling a little insecure after the move. It's a lot. But let's have a look here. I'm so sorry. I've been so used to working that now that I kind of had a day, hello, where I wasn't working, my body like is shutting down. That's what it feels like anyways. So also I wanted to ask, how is the sound? Because obviously I had to reset everything up. And so, hello. Oh, you can't see his head. Oh, that's disappointing. You can't see his face. He's pulling a very weird face, but it's fine. Where are we at with time-wise? Okay, let me zoom in a little bit closer. Let's watch what happens. We still have 6 minutes. Let's see if it goes. I wonder what happened here. This was a major spike. Oh, that reminds me. I must try find. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be from a week ago. About a week ago. Anyways. There we go. He's now lying down. That makes life easier. Okay, let's go back a week. Different Wednesday, Tuesday. Damn. Hey, Togan. Or Timmy. How's it going? How's the trading been? I've missed you guys for the past week. Very sad. But yes, how has it been going? Yay! So just wins? Oh, that's not what I want. Well, you know, you can just follow me back. Whee! I could just redraw this. I'm just being lazy. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. I can't believe Dragon made his first million yesterday. What? did my grandson go? I'm so proud. People had to watch and they don't know what's going on. I'm so sorry. Ah. See, now that's rude. Oh, wait, yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. There was nothing yesterday. Listen here. Listen here. It's too early in the session to be such a smartass. Oh my gosh. Also, hi Dragon. How you doing? How you doing? Like, just can't even give me like a minute to wake up before you start. Honestly, I'm a grandma, remember? You gotta let the brain do things. I do feel dumb for falling for that though. Thanks. Thanks. Good start. Good start. Well, it finally had that little decline everyone was waiting for. To make life easier. No. Oh, I'm here. Only decided at the last second to make life easier. But anyways, let's make this. I just want this at 10. Oh, jeez. Okay. In we go. Except it does not look so bad. Okay. There we go. That looks better. It just gives me an idea of how big the candles are looking. I know that was like a major waste of time, but it is what it is. Let me waste my time. It's fine. But how's the sound and everything, guys? Good? Bad? Maybe? Yeah? Everyone's disappeared again? Cool. We have got 2 minutes to go. Oh my gosh. Also, Timmy. Interesting. Interesting. I wasn't expecting Timmy. Okay. It appears that it wants to be bullish today. And that doesn't always mean anything. It can always fool you very quickly. But let's wait and see what happens. We still have how many minutes? Amazing. Enjoy, Dragon. I'll see you later. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Are we ready? Are we steady? Gonna also watch what happens on ES. Okay. Nowhere near it on ES though. So the London high on ES is also an equal high. So now we have to see if it's going to try and push for all that liquidity sitting up there. Oh, here we go. Five seconds. 3, 2, and 1. My dog took that as he must go running off. Anyways. Awesome, awesome, very cool. Is it reaching for the highs on ES? It kind of looks like it. Here we go. Holy damn, that was proper. When I was here, not last week, the week before, oh my gosh. Trading was not fun. There was just nothing. Okay, it's by the highs and tapped into it, which means there might be a reversal now, or it's just going to keep pumping up. Gonna keep an eye out for the reversal. Well, except I did think it was gonna be bullish today, so we'll kinda contradict myself a little bit, but let's see. Because it did take it. It's just very volatile right now. Sure, that was a crazy push on ES. Still gonna mark here. The only problem with missing a week, you miss a week full of liquidity lines. Okay. Just gonna call them swings for now. Swings. Swing. Just to give me an indication. That's a major one. Holy moly. Ah, still flipping and bumping. Okay. Never mind. Maybe I should look at my chart before I say that. On ES, it is still going really, really nicely. There we go. Let me correct myself. This way, shrink down because you look very funny. There we go. Still just freaking climbing. Did it hit a high on ES? Ooh, kind of going blind, which is not great. This gives me an idea of what's happening. It has taken some highs. Give it a few minutes. Okay. Let's see now. Sorry, I know I've been saying that like 5 times, but anyways. Okay, well, 5 minutes in. Oh my gosh. So it's giving no indication of slowing down. Have a quick look at something. Should have done the market buy. I just again have not put any indications on that side either. Okay, well, what have we got here? We have a bit of something here, we have a fair value up here. Cool. Some decent freaking volume for once, which is a little bit weird. This is just sprinting away. Okay, 30 seconds left. Where is everybody? Damn, I was only gone for a week. Okay, cool. Cat took that. Hello, baby. Hello, what's up? What's up? Sorry, I know you can't see his face. He's coming to check in with whatever the heck this is. Because, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, do you see? There we go, there's his nose. Coming to see what's going on. Good boy. Is this the reversal? Is it gonna break out of this? Be a decent order block if it goes down further. Damn, I don't know if you heard that. It was just my dog complaining about life, I guess. Take a note here. Normally taps in there. Should maybe start trusting myself like a tiny bit more. Oh, hi! Where do you think it's headed? Well... Oh, hey, Ricky. You think sell now? I mean... I called it for the opening. I was like, it's gonna be bullish. But now, I have absolutely no idea. I don't know if it's gonna keep just shooting up or if it's now the proper reversal. Thoughts? Your thoughts? Apart from Ricky, I know Ricky says sell. Sorry, I was lost in my own world. Sorry about that. But where do I think it's headed? Wherever it's going quickly. I think it's gonna break out of this. Huh? Maybe I'm wrong. It looks like it wants to dump on ES. Except it is respecting the fair value gap on ES. Here it hasn't even tapped into the fair value gap. Okay. Let's see, it might take the high and then go back down. I think that's the thing. Right now, it really is a bit of a, yeah, so let me do this. Okay, so decent gap here. Obviously there. Heh. This just looks like it's climbing now. Might go back down into the fair value gap. Whatever, it is just running away today, actually. Oh man, I was thinking of doing a breakout here. I should have done a breakout there. Let's see if it goes back down into this. So I need to refine my brain cells. It's really weird how once you haven't been trading for like a week, you just second guess everything. I quickly popped in on Friday very, very quickly for like a minute. When I arrived, like I literally plugged in my PC and just put in a trade, obviously, so that I wasn't kicked out. It was like a quick $20, but still, you know, green is green. Let's try this. Going to try not be too greedy. Oh, Oh, yay, I'm glad. I'm kind of glad, because I was like, so it was similar to like the week before, because that week was also just shocking. Just absolutely shocking. So I'm glad, that makes me feel a little bit better. This is a bit ridiculous, whatever this is right now. No, please don't screw me. Come on. I'm trying to be more bold. I've been told it's what you're supposed to try and do. Except now it looks like, oh no, if it goes past that fair value gap, oh no. I'm gonna watch and see. Oh. That makes sense. That makes lots of sense then. See if it goes past it on ES, or if there's just a fight going on there. Okay, looks like it respected it. I don't want to get too greedy. Nope, apparently not. It's just going... Cheers. Hey guys! That was a nice win. I'm just gonna put a little tick here. That was awesome. I should have headed for those highs up there. I mean, I could still. I don't know if that's being extra cheeky, but I could. With how it's being right now, it's not the worst idea. But let's also not be greedy. Okay, so that's one. One win. I'm a little bit shocked. Like, I am trying to be bolder, like I said. Hello. We've got one win in the bag. Ignore that. And I think I can get rid of this for now. I will redraw that. We are winning. Yeah. Now it's to see if it keeps pushing or if there's a reversal coming up. Oh, thank heavens. Check. Tap me out now. Is it gonna keep going? Okay, let's see if it comes down for some more. Okay. Is he going? Not going? Wanting to go? Pretending to go? Is this the reversal, or is it just fooling people to start selling before it starts going up again? Sorry, that was... I went into my brain there a little bit. Sorry. I'm waiting to see where this heads now. If this is indeed the reversal. Or if it's just having a lot of fun with people. like it did earlier. This might be the reversal. Got more than 3 so far. Well, again on ES. Okay, kind of going into that fair value gap now. Let's see if it respects it or not. Oh my gosh, hi Franks, how you doing? How's it been going? How's your trading been going? It's going good. I'm quite excited to be back. It's quite nerve-wracking, I'm not gonna lie. So you feel almost out of practice and you start doubting everything. That's at least how it feels. Oh, here we go. Yeah, well, I did have a little win here. I did a market buy and it got me out at 200. Yeah, I got $200, so that was awesome. That was a nice little win to get me back in the game again, so that was fun. But now I'm trying to see if this is the reversal or if it's just fooling everyone. I have a feeling it might be fooling. Yeah, I heard that last week the markets were choppy and I didn't really miss much, so that makes me feel a little bit better because I was there like sulking. A little bit sulking because I really wanted to be a part of the trading, and obviously I couldn't because moving's a pain. I'm gonna buy. Is it pushing again? I like the doji on ES. We appear to be a little bit choppy again. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, what I'm gonna set it up how I have it set up here. I'll limit to there, yep. I don't know if I'm being an overachiever by doing this, but anyways. I technically should move this a tiny bit. Let's see if it goes past that high there. On ES, tapped into it now on MNQ. Okay. Let's see if it looks like it's going to be a break of structure. Or if it's going to keep pushing. I'm watching it on ES as well. Okay. There we go. Gonna move this a little bit below here. Set the stop out. I'm trying. I am trying really, really hard. Now it's just... Do I be cheeky? And keep holding. I should probably keep holding. Yes. Hold what you have. Then maybe I should readjust that back to where it was. No? Leave it, Maya. Leave it. Oh no. Move that to where I had it. Move it to where I had it. Leave it there. No, please. And hope that it listens to everything there. Okay, so I'm not going to be upset with the outcome because I said it was going to be bullish. So I just stuck with my gut. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. And I tried to get the best entry for it. I think that's it. I think that's it. I'm trying to go through like a checklist. I can't be upset if it's a loss. Oh, flip. If I've tried to do everything correctly. Okay, now we wait. See, now would be a great time to have some tea or something to stop me wanting to move things and mess things around. Oh my gosh, chickadee yes. It hit the 200 mark. I'm trying to hold. I'm trying to hold. I'm trying really hard to hold. Let's adjust that up to there. This is a 2.2 trade then. Okay. Okay. Do I go break even now? Prop accounts. Yeah. I'm trying really hard to leave it alone now. Let's see. Trying really hard to leave it alone because the doubts. But thank you, I appreciate that. Friends, yes. You prop accounts a person. I'm prop accounts. I'm with Traderify? Tradervate. I don't... Same, right? Same. Oh, should probably move it to break even, but I would also be upset if that screwed me. Because it has done that before. Plenty of times. Okay. One. That little spike has made me a little bit nervous. Do I be safe or do I hold it? Safe or hold? Safe or hold? You can always do this, move it a little bit higher. Stop messing with things. Stop messing with things. Just stop. Just stop it. Where would 2R be? Okay. Like I said, I'm trying really. So guys, distract me. Help me out. Help me out. Just help me. Help me. Distract me so I don't do things. Please. Distract me so I do not do things. Oh, flip, because I want to, and I'm like, no, don't do it. Oh no. See, like now. I know, and it's so hard not to, though. I try really hard. Okay, fine. What I am going to do, I'm going to do the safe version. I'm just going to move it to break even. A little bit above. Okay. Break even's not a bad thing. Just saying. Okay. Break even. Then, mitigate risk. Yeah, I know, but it's really hard to just walk away. So that's why I'm just gonna keep talking to you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of put a little blank screen over here. What did you guys do this weekend? Maybe we should just talk about that. So see, I looked. Maybe we should just talk about that. What did you guys end up doing this weekend? Anything cool? Did you find more coffee? Sorry, I didn't know what else to ask. I just looked and I saw coffee, so I was like, coffee it is. Yeah, like I said, I just moving, yeah. Hiking? Oh, I love that. I love hiking. But now I guess I just have, it's not really hiking though, beach walks. So you missed it. Check what I found earlier on the beach. It's really, really pretty. Check how pretty the shell is. Yeah. So that's, yeah. I just go for my, right? My walks on the beach. Oh no. I see it going down. Oh yes. No, no. But I'm hoping there's some fair value gaps. And an end. Okay. Yes. Sorry. See, I look. So I'll sit like this. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, so I just go for my beach walks now. It's very weird to be in that reality. I know it sounds super weird. But yeah, living down on the coast is weird. I must say, the one thing I need to get used to, like I feel it now, and it's like the humidity down here is so bad. I looked. Okay, the humidity down here is ridiculous. So I feel sticky. That sounds really weird, but like I feel sticky just because of how much humidity and moisture is in the air. But I guess you get used to that, right? So clothes also just don't really dry very well. I'm just gonna keep talking. I'm talking rubbish, but I'm just gonna keep talking because it stops me from doing something silly. Sorry, I saw things on ES. Yeah, it's hectic and everything is salty. Who would have guessed? But yeah, everything is salty. You know, surprise, surprise. The apple. You'll have to keep me distracted. Oh. That I do not do something that I will regret later. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna fold my arms. And then all we do now is we also gonna just wait for tomorrow. So tomorrow my horse and the one horse I'm riding arrived down here, so that's exciting as well. And then that's everything. Gosh. Moving is not fun. I would definitely not recommend it. It is rubbish. Absolute rubbish. And you have to put a lot of trust in people, and I don't know about you guys, but yeah, I trust people about as far as I can throw them, which is not very far. I don't have very strong arms. So anyways, that was like my 2 cents worth, because oh my gosh, that is just how it feels majority of the time. So I looked at things. I know it gives me great anxiety. Not really. And the most frustrating part, right? So I even said if it wasn't for my bed, because I have quite a nice bed, wasn't for my bed and my couch, I probably would have sold everything and used what I'd gotten from selling things to just buy new things down here. It would have actually been easier and saved money with the movers. But I really liked my couch and my bed. So I was like, no, these have to come down. So the bed's good. Bed fits. Bed's perfect. The couch, it is a weird couch. But the couch does not fit. Like through the doors. So after all that, I might have to then sell my couch and just get a new couch. Because it's always been a nightmare wherever I move. But yes, it's now just being extra. Oh no, we appear to have a... Never mind. It's a break of structure on ES. See if it respects the fair value gap. See, now my question is, do I call it at this and have a day of, well, I mean, I can still get into the trading and maybe I do that. I know that's cheeky. I know how bad and cheeky that is. It's just melting a lot. Calling it. No, there we go. Okay. Called it at 200. So we are up $400 today. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. I know that was cheeky. I am very aware that that was very, very cheeky. Called it around there, huh? Okay. Okay, called it. Still a win. I would have gotten more, but anyways, no, it was still a win. Thank you. Yeah, okay, so up 400 today so far. If I can get one more winning trade in, then I might actually be done for the day, which is really weird. Very, very, very weird. But anyways, oh, I'm gonna feel dumb if it reverses now, but I don't think it is. Kind of went past there. I have a feeling. Let's see if it goes past that low on ES. Let's see. Went past, bounced out. There's also an order block sitting on ES. Okay. There's that bounce. Okay, so it would have been a break even because I did move it to break even. So at least I'm up and not break even, because that would have been really disappointing. Okay, now it's to see if it respects the fair value gap. If it does, this might actually be the break of structure, in which case I must sell. Except this is hinting towards maybe not. This big wick down here. Okay. I'm watching. I could just buy in again. I know it's cheeky. but if it works, right? If you're up, you're up. Okay. Fair value gap. See how it closes with regards to it, if it keeps respecting the 50% or not. No. I mean, it kind of wants to listen to it on ES. Kind of. It's kind of what I'm waiting to see. I think it's going to make a lower high. Personally. Or I could be 1000% wrong. I think it's going to make a lower high. I don't think it's going to break above. Yeah. Let's see if this might be... Is this the lower high? Well, let's see. It might just be consolidating again, and then it's either gonna pop up or pop down, but my feeling, just based off of ES, right? I don't know if you can see ES. There we go. So I mean, check was beautiful, and now it's... It looks like it's slowly... It went past the low on ES. I know it doesn't always listen the best. NQ, when it comes to ES, it doesn't always look the same. So out of curiosity, right, if I go here... So I put it around here. Even 20 is a little excessive. Look at that. No, maybe I'm wrong. Oh. I could be wrong. Let's see. Ah, damn. I was wrong. I called it wrong. My bad. I know it's not over yet, but... Still... Hasn't broken the high yet. Just as I said that. Should we do a quick one? No, but it hasn't taken the high on ES. Okay, it took the high on ES. Let's see if it keeps climbing. Huh. A little bit of a fair value gap here. Let's see if it does this. Pops back into here. Let's make it 10 now. Okay, 10's maybe pushing it. There we go, that's better. It's not by the low though. Let's try this. I pressed buy a little bit late, but let's see if this is good idea or bad idea. Good idea or bad idea. Into that fair value gap. And keeping an eye. Let's see if it respects it or not. Come on. Okay, it is by 100, so theoretically, I should move this to break even. Theoretically. Thank you. I'm really trying. And now we see if it goes up again. Come on, a little bit more. Keep going. A little bit of a fight. It is right there, but oh no. Watching. Come on. Kind of looks like it's pushing for down, doesn't it? Popped into the order block. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Let's see if it starts going a little bit above. However, it looks. The push down looks a bit stronger now. No, it doesn't always mean anything. Yeah, maybe it does. See if it pops back up. To a decent point. Come on. Oh, I might call this. It's respecting the fair value gap really well. So that's nice. To be fair, I don't really have a time limit, which is probably not a great thing. I should probably give myself a time. How long do you normally hold your trades for? See. Oh my goodness. Come on. Oh, okay. I'll read that properly now. Give me 2 seconds. I'm not loving this though. It's just messing around a little bit too much. Goes up a little bit more again. If it goes to like 100. Come on. Might call this one a break even. Yeah, break even. It looks like it's wanting to push down. Sorry, so that's just me being cautious. I'm calling it a break even. So even though we went up a little bit, I should have moved it to break even long ago, so I pushed it a bit. Anyways, so you trade longer time frame. Oh my god. Okay, but okay. So, do you then just put a trade in and walk away? Do you stay at your desk? What do you? How do you do it? So it just looks like the market's wanting that push down. That was my logic anyways. I mean, I might be wrong. It might tap into this and now shoot up, in which case I'll feel really dumb, but... Oh, cool. Okay, so you kind of... What's that word? I'm trying to remember... Would you just keep following it up? But not exactly, because obviously your trades are a lot longer. Okay, well... How very weird. Let's see if it gets out of this slump now. So out of pure curiosity, right? I'll change it again, but if I had it at 10 points... Oh man! That would have been a tag in and a tag out. Damn it. Maybe I must just change it to 10 now that it's not so hectic. I agree. That's why I tapped out. Here we go. Oh, thank heavens I did. This looks like it has to be maybe back down to the 10 pointers. We just don't have that nice volume anymore. Or price action. This was madness. What was this even? Cool. That was a 176 point climb today. Awesome. Go short at 240. Poop. Okay, well, let's see if it comes back into it. Oh my gosh, okay. Limit. Okay, well, we're in. Let's see if this is correct now. Okay. What? Flip, it broke the highs on ES. Wonder if it's gonna keep climbing now. Oh, maybe not. Cool. Anyways. We are in this. Yep. Really, does... Oh, well, was everything indicating for a melt now? It actually was. Like, the push here, the everything was indicating for a melt. And this is quite a good trade, because I mean, check, it's not even by the lowest lows. Okay, well, let's see. It could still be something. You know, weirder things have happened. If it tags me out, oh my gosh. Or it's just gonna fly away. Okay, well, there's a fair value gap on ES. Let's see if it respects it. I mean, it's a fair value gap here as well. It appears to be respecting the 50% for now. And I'm getting, like, overexcited. Way too soon to tell. We have a decent melt. Let's see, I'm gonna stick this one out. That would have frustrated me. Check there. That would have just been a tag out. And then a melt. That would have sucked. Oh my gosh, can you imagine? Okay. Okay. Where are we at? It's nearly 4:30, which would be what? 10:30? For you guys? 10:30. Guess it hasn't been a break of structure on ES yet. It's been a break of structure here on NQ, but ES is still pushing. Maybe I spoke too soon. Okay. Let's see. Hit the order block. On both ES and NQ. Now is it going to keep melting? Okay, let me make it break even. Let's see. Okay. Don't check that. Let's see. Okay, well, let's keep going down a little bit extra. So I'm moving that just to there so I can check here. Come on. Oh, maybe this was a mistake to move it there. Keep pushing down. Seriously? Okay, well, I can always re-enter, like you said. Let me watch. Oh my gosh, thank heavens I didn't make it a 10-pointer. I would have been tagged out instantaneously. Why has it gone so volatile all of a sudden? What's happening? Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit volatile again. Fair value gap. Should really respect it. I mean, there's 2 fair value gaps there. Okay, pop back in. I think. This is a tad bit all over the place right now. Respected it, respected. We're gonna keep respecting it on ES. NQ it's not, but I don't quite know what I was expecting, but this is rather interesting. Now it looks like it's pushing up again. Again, on ES, it looks like it's pushing up again. Let's see. Oh, it's respecting the fair value gap on ES. That's what it keeps tapping into. You think so? I'm gonna keep watching it. If we look like we have some proper momentum, I'll quickly market sell. There was such beautiful momentum, now it's back to being choppy, which is very frustrating. I'm gonna keep this here as a bit of an indicator. If you hear snoring, it is not me. That would be Mr. Periwinkle. He is snoring away. Okay. Near the high here. Well, this is great. Yeah, nothing at all. Ah, disappointing, but I'm definitely in the green. So now I'm contemplating, do I keep trying? Or do I end it on a very happy green note today? Because I can have an exact look. Let me quickly do that. Let's have an exact look. Let's see how it looks today. Okay. Oh, it hasn't uploaded today's. Let's see. Is this it? I think this is it. That's pretty decent. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if this was a goodie. No, maybe not. I think 213 all the way down here. Okay, I'm giving it a go. Gonna go midway, there we go. Right by that low. Okay. Let's see. Do I move it to break even though? I probably should. This is past halfway. Or do I leave it there and I trust my stops? Part of me wants to say I leave it there and I trust my stops. Let's see now. Let's go. Ron, think of some melty thoughts. Think candles. Okay, meant to melt now properly, so break even. Give myself a few points just in case. Okay, it's right by these lows. I just reminded myself that I need a blink. I was so fixated that I forgot that blinking is a thing. I was like, no, Maya, blink, please. It's messing around right at that point. Come on, come on. Oh my gosh. It's so close. Go, 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 go. Come on, please. Like, pretty please? Wanting to trust this. Wanting to trust this. I'm wanting to trust this. I'm just gonna watch it. If it gets to around 200, I'll close, because then either way I'm up. That's a valid. That's valid. Let's do that. Come on. I know. Let's see. It'll be so good if it does that. Yeah, okay. And you know what? With that, we have had 3 wins for the day. Holy moly. 3 wins, 2 break-evens. Okay, that was awesome. That was probably the best day of trading we've had in a while, which is amazing. I'm really starting, I don't know, I think that week off help my brain reset, which is maybe not a bad thing. Yeah, okay. Sorry, I like shifted everything. Okay, let's draw win boxes. So this was the short. I got in around here. Stop was around there. Yeah, is this right? Huh. Oh wait, no, wait, we're there. There we go. Nearly a 2-hour win. Cool. There we go. Stop it! Oh my gosh. No, yes, maybe. I just want my little tick. Honestly. Win. Break even. Win. This one was also win. Do not ask me where the heck my entry was though. Where did I enter? Did I enter around here? Ah, finally. Finally. Remember, it was not going great. Definitely was not there. I think it was around midway. I'm gonna have to go back and see where this one was. But it definitely then went and popped me out here. Either way, it was a win. Sorry, just had to do that to let it go there. I mean, 3 wins, 2 break evens. This one has stopped at $40 above. This one I can't remember where it stopped it. I'll have to have a look. Oh wow. A proper decent amount. I'll give you exact tomorrow, but at least $600. 2 for 6, yeah. Over $600 today. Okay, that was a very good winning day. So I'm done because let's not push it. That was amazing. Oh, check out the candle. Tagged out and now it's going up again. Took those lows. You think so? Thank you. Okay, so then it was a good day. Ah, it's good to be back, guys. It's really good to be back. So definitely more than $600 up. Let's say 700, which is a very, very, very decent day. In case I get tempted, I might call it at that because holy moly. I know it's very early though, so I could stick around. Like I said, I just don't want to tempt myself now because this was a really, really good day. This was an awesome day. I'm super chuffed with today. Oh. Yo, I actually trusted myself with some of these entries for once. And liquidity provider helped a lot with, well, these two. This one, so close. And then a beautiful one. Oh, that was awesome. Ah. Okay. Sorry. I'm gonna... Sorry, he was loud. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I was talking to my dog, telling him that there's no strange danger going on. We're fine. Oh wow, check at all this now. Liquidity provider, you were very, very right. Damn, look at this. Holy moly. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna get tempted, so I'm gonna call it at that for today. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Coffee Investor, thank you so much for saying well done. I will be back for more fun trading. Hopefully more winning, right? Yes, hopefully more winning, because that was awesome. I mean, check how pretty that is. Win, win, win. 2 break-evens. But you know what? Break-evens are pretty decent. Oh, there we go. Sorry, I punched someone. No, I'm joking. I did not punch someone. That was just, while I was packing, I managed to somehow punch a box. But thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Yes, good night for me. I will see you guys tomorrow. I love you. Bye.